Do not use the with these things. Names. Say Jack, not the Jack. Say Lucy, not the Lucy. Countries. Say London, not the London. Say Spain, not the Spain. Sports. I play football, not the football. Tennis, not the tennis. Languages. I speak English, not the English. French, not the French. I had an accident and went to hospital or the hospital. When can I say hospital and when can I say the hospital? School or the school? Present or the present? Listen guys, we don't use the with hospital if you're going because you're sick. Don't use the with school if you're going to learn, like you're a student. No the with present if you're a prisoner, like you killed someone or something. Okay? But we use the with these places if you're going as a visitor. In this example, I had an accident, which means I was sick. So we don't use the here, just hospital. Another one, I learned English at school or at the school. Learned here means I was a student. So we don't use the here, just school. Another one, I went to visit my uncle. Hospital or the hospital. Look here, I wasn't sick. I just went to visit my uncle. So I was a visitor here. Here we use the hospital. Now you answer this one. He killed someone and went to present or the present. What do you think, guys? And notice here, he killed. He's a killer. Okay, let me see your answers. Thank you for watching.
Pronunciation of this word. How do you pronounce this word, guys? Well, it has two pronunciations, the and the. So we say the if it comes before a noun that starts with a vowel sound. And the vowel sounds are I, o, a. Okay? We say the apple. Look, apple starts with a, so this is the, not the. The egg. Egg starts with e, so again, this is the. The orange. Orange starts with a vowel o, so we say the, not the. So with nouns that start with vowel sounds from these ones, we say the. Okay guys? When to say the, super easy. We use the with nouns that start with consonant sounds. Any other sound which is not a vowel, like h, k, s, t, m, and so on. We say the house. Starts with h, consonant, so this is the house, not the house. The key starts with k, consonant sound, so this is the key. The sun, s, consonant, so the. So with nouns that start with consonants, we say the. Did you understand, guys? If so, you can answer this question. Write the or the in front of each one. Go ahead, let me see your answers.